Okay, dear students, observe the question for small a belongs to R, mod a greater than 1, let limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus cube root 2 plus cube root 3 plus so on plus cube root n whole by n power 7 by 3 into 1 by n plus 1 whole square plus 1 by n plus 2 whole square plus so on 1 by n plus n whole power n whole square is equal to 54. Then the possible values of a is or first option 8, second option minus 9 and third option minus 6 and fourth option 7. Okay. Actually this is the question from J Advanced 2019 from paper 2. This is from section 1, more than one option type question. Now we have to solve this question. Actually this is the question depends upon the summation of series, summation of limit of sum. Okay. Now do the problem, right? Solution for this one. Now take the given series. Limit n tends to infinity. Here it is 1 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 1 by 3 plus so on plus n power 1 by 3 whole by, here it is n power 7 by 3 into 1 by an plus 1 whole square plus 1 by an plus 2 whole square plus so on plus 1 by an plus n whole square is equal to 54. Now this can be right in sigma notation, summation in sigma notation. Limit n tends to infinity. Here we have to write sigma r is equal to 1 to n r power 1 by 3 by, okay, here it is n power 7 by 3 into, here sigma r is equal to 1 to n, here this is 1 by an plus r whole square, that is equal to 54. That's all. Okay, this is the sigma notation. Now from that limit n tends to infinity, here it is sigma r is equal to 1 to n, so r power 1 by 3 by n power 7 by 3 into, here we have to take common n, then it is n square, take outside, then it is 1 by n square, sigma r is equal to 1 to n, 1 by a plus r by n whole square is equal to 54. Okay, again from this one, observe. Now limit of the quotient of the limits. That means limit n tends to infinity. Here it is sigma r is equal to 1 to n. Then r power 1 by 3 by, here it is n square gets cancelled, then 1 by n power, that means it is n power 1 by 3. Then limit n tends to infinity, here limit n tends to infinity 1 by n power 1 by 3, sigma r is equal to 1 to n, here it is a plus, that means 1 by a plus r by n whole square is equal to 54. Okay, right. This n power 1 by 3 and r power 1 by 3 can be right. That is limit n tends to infinity, sigma r is equal to 1 to n, r by n power 1 by 3 whole by, limit n tends to infinity, sigma r is equal to 1 to n, 1 by a plus r by n whole square is equal to 54. Right. So this is divided and multiplied by 1 by n. Now this limit of sum converted into integration. So converted into integration. How it is? That means suppose, that means sigma can changes to integration. Sigma can changes to integration, and 1 by n changes to dx, and Rn is R by n taken as x. R by n taken as x. If R is equal to 1, then if R is equal to 1, then x tends to 1. If R tends to 1, then x tends to 1 by n. But n tends to infinity, that's why x is equal to 0. If n tends to infinity, 1 by infinity 0. That's why x is 0. If R is equal to n, then x is equal to 1. That's why this is changes into integration numerator. Integral 0 to 1, it is x power 1 by 3 dx by, in denominator, integral 0 to 1 by a plus x square whole square dx is equal to 54. Now apply integration. Now integration for this. Integration for this one is x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That's why it is 4 by 3 into x power 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Since 1 by 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4 by 3. That's why 3 by 4 into x power 4 by 3 in between the limits 0 to 1 by, here integration, minus 1 by, since x square integration minus 1 by x square integration minus 1 by x, minus 1 by a plus x, minus 1 by a plus x under the limits 0 to 1 is equal to 54. Right. Now from this, here it is 3 by 4 by denominator, here it is minus 1 by a plus 1, next 0 plus 1 by a is equal to 54. So after simplification we get a is equal to 8 or minus 9. That's why that is in first option and second option. Since after simplification we get a quadratic equation in terms of a, then solve, then a is equal to 8 or minus 9. That's why first and second option is correct. That's right.